Dylan, what does that book say? Really? Yeah? Is that a frog on there? Yeah. Do you like books? You like to throw them off your bookshelf? What does that say? Dr. Seuss, A, B, C. Can you read it to me?